Right guys, let's have a look at number 12 then. Let's look at this. 3x squared plus 19x plus 20 equals 0. We draw our pair brackets, don't we? It doesn't take a moment to do, and this helps us to solve the problem. Lines 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so the first piece of the jigsaw then, first line, first term. See it there? First line, first term. First line is here. What times what gives the first term 3x squared? Well, there's not a lot of possibilities. It's either 3x and x or x and 3x. And because there's nothing in the brackets, doesn't matter which way we put them. So we're happy to put them there, aren't we? So the next piece in the jigsaw is last line, last term. So that's the next easiest thing to work out. It's a plus 20. So we need to just jot down all the combinations that give 20 as a product, yeah? 20 times 1. The order, which way around they are, does matter because there's asymmetry here. If they were the same values, it wouldn't matter, but it does affect the middle values, doesn't it? When you work out lines 2 and 3. So we need a 1 and a 20. We need a 10 and a 2. We need a 2 and a 10. We need a 5 and a 4. We need a 4 and a 5. That's about it. And then we need all the minuses, don't we? Minus 20, minus 1. And all the minuses go down there. But if you notice straight away, it's plus 19. So because it's such a high positive thing, the middle term, and these are 3x and x are both positive, these are probably not going to be your top priority to write all those down. So we'll just try these first. If we don't find anything here, then we'll take a close look down here, should we need to, okay? So these are the possibilities. Now the first is 3, so that was the second piece in the jigsaw. The last piece in the jigsaw is middle lines, middle term. So our middle lines are lines 2, 3x times that, and line 3, that times x. So if I put them here and here, 3x times one of these, and x times one of these, yeah, needs to add up to plus 19. So can you see which one it should be? I think I can spot it there. See that one there? That's a 5 there. Because I see that 3 5s are 15. Oh, that's getting there. And then, oh, there's a 4 there. 15 and 4 is 19. That's it. So I reckon the first one to try, just looking down the list, is that one, yeah? So if to try that one, then let's just check it's correct. It would be 3x times the 5, wouldn't it? So the 5 goes here plus, and it would be x times the 4, wouldn't it? So the plus 4 goes here. So let's just double check that then. 3x squared, yeah, everyone happy? That's that, yeah, that's good. Then that's the first line. The last line would be 4 5s are 20, so that would give that one. And then the middle lines, 5 3s are 15x plus 4x, lines 2 and 3. 15 plus 4x is 19x. So I reckon that's okay. So that equals 0. Now let's just write it more tidily then. Now we've worked it out. So that times that equals 0. So if the product equals 0, that only happens when either this or this is 0. So then, when does that happen? Well, 3x plus 4 equals 0 when move the 4 over to minus 4 and then divide by 3 both sides. And it helps to write the x there. And divide by 3 minus 4/3. There we go. That's that one. And the other one, when does x plus 5 equal 0? What value of x? We'll just shift the 5 over, isn't it, to minus 5. And we see that there. Through the equals. X is minus 5. And you put them in. And you can check, like for example, minus 5. That would be 25. Because minus times minus is a plus. That would be 75. This would be 75 and 20 is 95 there. But minus 5 19s are also minus 95, and they'll make 0 when you add them. So it's easy to check that in the calculator if you need to. Alright then, only if time permitted at the end of a test would you double check the answers here. But generally you just write the answers, just double check up here is what we did really, wasn't it? Let's go on to the next one then, that's good. Great.